Isaiah 41:13 and 18. For I, the Lord thy God, will hold thy right hand, saying unto thee, Fear not, I will help thee. I will open rivers in high places, and fountains in the midst of the valleys. I will make the wilderness a pool of water, and the dry land springs of water. Isaiah 40:31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Hebrews 13:8. Jesus Christ, the same yesterday and today and forever.